like this is my real hair right now. Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Jay, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thanks so much for sliding through, and if you're returning, thanks for coming to kick it with your girl once more. Now y'all know I'm in the business of showing y'all how to save money by doing your own hair. Well, today I'm back with another one. Today we're going to be doing the infamous flip over quick weave. Quick weaves have really made a comeback 2023, and I just love that for us. Quick, simple, easy, anybody can do it, and yeah, love it. So yeah, so if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, make sure that you do stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. But before we get into all of that, I do want to say thanks to Alipearl for sending us over 3 20-inch body wave bundles today, you guys. When I tell you the quality of the hair is just honestly completely exceeded my expectations. Every now and then you get all these type of brands saying my hair is this, my hair is that, this hair is it, okay? So in the box they sent over, it had a ton of different goodies inside. They just gave me every single thing that I needed today. Love that for us. So let's go ahead and get into the products that you're going to need for today's style, and you do not need a lot. It was so easy. So first things first, you are going to need a 3-way mirror, completely optional, but like I said, I would not be able to do these videos the way that I do for y'all if I did not have this 3-way mirror. I can see my whole head. You're gonna need a flat iron. You're also gonna need a wig cap. I would recommend that you get black, but if you have any other color, it will still work. You're gonna cover it completely. You're also gonna wanna have some protective shield for your hair. Hair glue is no joke, and you do not want that on your hair, okay? Yeah. Speaking of hair glue, you're gonna need some hair glue. Now, I use the 30-second super hair bond glue. This one is super infamous. You can get it from just about any beauty supply store. I literally swear by this stuff. I use it for other things that you're not supposed to use it for. And of course, in order to achieve these layers, I did go in with a pair of scissors. They were nothing special. I did use a hair razor as well. Hair razor, completely optional. You don't need it. But yeah, that's pretty much all that I needed for today's style. And patience. You definitely needed some patience. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video now. Make sure that you subscribe before you go. Yeah. So absolutely first things first, you are going to want to make sure that you are starting with a head of freshly washed and blow dried hair, just because what I'm going to do now is I want to map out you know, what's going to be left out. On this side, I'm going to leave out about that much. And the way you know if you left out enough is you just put this here, just let this act like it would be a track, and then cover it, and you'll be able to see, like, okay, you can't see it. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the same thing in the front. And so I really don't need to leave out a lot. All of this is gonna be gone. So I left out maybe about an inch of hair in the front, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and take out what's gonna be left out on this side too. And then I'm just gonna quickly just braid this down. So now, as far as like prepping the hair, we're just going to do straight backs all the way to the back. It doesn't have to be perfect, because again, they are going to be covered, but they do need to be flat. So if they're not nothing else, you need to make sure that they're flat. So let's go ahead and do that. I just love how quick weaves have actually made a comeback. I used to be a quick weave girl back in the day. Like every single quick weave you can think about. 27 pieces, the curly bobs, the curly froze, the heavy swoops. Like quick weaves were my thing. So the fact that they are actually making a comeback. So you just want to take this black cap, stretch it. And so you just want to make sure like you are completely flat. As you see, it is flat here, super flat. So now we're just gonna go ahead and go on with our protective shield. Now you don't want to go easy on this. You want to use a really good amount, because you don't want that glue on your hair whatsoever. so as you see, like, we are done, and your head should literally be glistening just like this. It's a million things in the world we can go cheap on. Don't go cheap on this. Use almost the whole bottle. I literally almost used the whole bottle, and I still even feel like there's some right here, because yeah. Alright, so now we're gonna get to the fun part. We're gonna start laying these tracks now. Okay, so laying tracks is actually like really easy. You just gotta have patience. I went ahead and did a few on the row just because I wanted to just get a few out of the way. I'm gonna show you how I do it. So first thing you want to do is take the whole track. I didn't cut anything, and if you know how to flip tracks, then flip your track. But I'm not doing that, like, cause I'm doing a tutorial here. I'm not gonna do. Listen. This is one of those things that you just pick up, you know? I don't know. So the way you want to measure your track, let me turn around. So as you see, I have it like the first 2 layers. I just wanted to get volume. And so now we're on the 4th layer now. So you want your tracks to start going up in a U shape. So we're going to go from here. And you want to make sure you go right above, like, you don't want to be all the way up here. You want to go right above. So you can use your thumb to kind of feel that bottom track. And you just want to go the same place on the other side. So that, well, I'll say like right here. So we're going to go from here to here. And so that way we're just going to cut. So we cut that. You see it's kind of thick on this side, and you can kind of see the phrase. That's from where they like flipped it over the track. So you want to add your glue on the thick side. So this is what your track should look like after you've added the glue. So yeah, really doesn't take long, just a little blow dry, and you should be able to do like a light pull or even just feel and see that it is dry. And so we're just gonna continue to go up, and I'll be back once we get a little bit more done. So literally not a lot of time has passed. This part is super easy. As I told y'all, I was just laying them in a U shape as I go up. So far the hair is just like really soft. It's super light. I even had to look at the box. I was like, wait, this is human hair? It feels so good. Like, it feels so good. So I'm excited to like style it and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get into this part. And so we're just gonna continue with the same shape that we were doing before, and make sure you don't go over the part. Like, you see it's kind of like a line where I need to stop each time. I make sure not to go over that line, because that's the hair that's staying out. And I just like my tracks to be really close together. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this wig cap off. I'm so sick of my head looking like this. I look crazy. You cannot see a single thing. Before I put any curls or anything into the hair, I'm going to first blow it out, because we are gonna do super deep layers. Do you all know that girl on TikTok or Instagram? Her name is like Daisy Does My Hair. She done that really choppy, like heavy layers on Cash Doll. That's what we're going for today. So I'm just so happy that a lot of my hair is not like out, because I don't have to worry about like cutting my own hair. This hair is so soft. I can already tell it's going to blend so good. I'm excited. So the trick with layers, when you're leaving a little bit of your hair out, is you want to start your layers where your hair ends. I am just like a sucker for layers, so I do this all the time. So you're just gonna take some scissors. If you have some shears, it would be better. I don't really have any professional shears because I'm not professional. I want to repeat that again. I am not a professional. I do not do this kind of hair professionally. This is just one of those things that I know how to do. And you see how much came out, but it's kind of because I already did a little bit already. So I'm just gonna go around step by step on my hair and just really get in there. I like layers. All right, so we are pretty layered up right now. I went ahead and just put a clip here to get my hair out the way. You guys, this hair feels so good, and I just love the way layers just I don't know, they just add so much to hair. So now I'm about to go ahead and start the styling part. I did get a box of pins because I want my curls to really like eat, you know. I want them to be very like voluptuous, large, and sultry. Is that a word? I don't know. All right, so we're going in with our flat iron. This is the same $20 flat iron that I use in just about every single video. And you guys have probably seen me curl a million times. I very rarely use any other type of tool. Flat irons just really seem to do it for me. So I'm gonna stick to what I like. We're gonna let this sit for about, I wanna say like 5 minutes before we take it out because I really want my curls to be popping. So yeah, I'll be back when it's time to do the brush out. Brush outs are so pleasing. Y'all, this is eating already and I can already tell. Like my hair has never been curled before or something. I'm so excited. And the moment we've been waiting for, the flip over. Oh. What? All right, so we did our edges and everything. Does this not look like freaking, I don't know, it just looks like it's not heavy, but it's so like cute. It blends so good, like, and you cannot see, you know, anything. It's so seamless. Like, I'm just so, oh, I cannot wait to wear this out of town this weekend. Like, this is just so cute, so easy. Like, this took no time at all, and it just looks so good. Like, I don't even know how to describe it because how do I feel like this is my real hair right now? Like, this is just so cute. Oh my gosh. Well, you guys, I hope that this video was helpful for you all. If you are trying to do your own flip over quick weave, 'tis the season. It's perfect for the fall, perfect for even winter. Thanksgiving is coming up. Alipearl is going to be running a few little Black Friday deals, so if you are interested in getting some around that time, make sure that you stay tuned. You guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.